Hello guys, welcome once again. This is a continuation of our previous video, which is a step-by-step on how to set up Google AdMob account. Like I said earlier, or like I promised earlier, that our next video will be how to add ad unit so that you will start making enough money from your hard worked and applications from Google. Now, to create ad units, when you come to your dashboard, just as you're seeing here on my screen, you can see my dashboard here. When you come to your dashboard, you can see this blue button that says add unit. So click on it. I think you can read from the first words to the last, which is app overview, preview and apps overall performance. Use this page to understand how your app is performing, including requests received, impressions, and estimated earning. Next step, create your first ad unit. Now, when you want to create your ad unit, click this button, this blue button you're seeing here, as I told you earlier. When you click at it, hold on, let it load. Now it has opened. You can see from my screen here as I zoomed it, you can see banner, you can see instantia, you can see rewarded instantia, you can see rewarded, you can see native, advanced, you can see open apps. Now anyone you want to monetize your app with, you use it. Now to show you how to create the ad unit, let's use banner. Now when you open it like this, click select. Now it has opened. You can see here now, you can see add unit. You can see the kind of it. You can see that it is banner. Now here you will add the unit name. For instance, now add the unit name. Now you will do it like this. For instance, let's name it banner 1. Banner 1. That is the name. Read this thing before you submit it. Read it well before you submit it. You can see partner binding. I am using this ad unit for real-time binding on another medium. If there is something, as in you are using it for another ad apart from AdMob, you mark this place yes, but if you are not using it, leave it like that. So when you have added the unit name, you click create ad unit. Allow it to load. Now the magic is done. You can see it. This cap you're seeing here, the first one, you will copy it and keep separate. You copy the second one and also keep. Now this second one is the one you will add to your app. You get it now? The one that is more important is the second one. You add it to your app. But this one, the first one, you will add it also to the Google Play Store when the need arises, when you'll be setting it. But the one we'll be using now is this second one. You are seeing it there. So that is the one you're expected to use. Now once this code is here and you have copied it, as I said, you will click here to copy it. After copying it, you click done. Now yes, you have created it. You can see it here. You can see that you have created. So to create another one, click add unit. We created banner before. The same process we use is what we still use to create interstitial. The same thing is what we use to create all of them to build an app. So after creating it like that and copying the code to add to your app, after submitting it, you will start making your money, just as I said before. So let us go back so that I will show you how to create or how to set up payment information. Let us go back. So you will set your payment. Let's go home. Let us go home. You can see now. You can see on my dashboard here that missing payment information. Now to set up your payment information, click here. You come back and click payments. Allow it to load and open. Now you are seeing here, add your payment information. Click on it. Just hold on, let it open. So you will see it. It is very simple. Just be patient. Good. Now when you're adding your payment method here, this place, click this account type. Click account type. If you are creating it for a business, like you are not a person, maybe you are creating it in a group, you use business. But if it is you alone that is using the account, you use individual. After adding individual, add your real name here. Add your real name here. You can see, let me add my name. Let me add my name. Okay. You can see the name. Monetizing TV. So after adding the name, add your real name. After adding the real name, you add your address, your original address, because you will verify this address and the name later. So add your real address. Type in your address. If your house is number 5 Okonga Street, add it. If it is number 10 Ajangbada Street, add it. Whatever address your house is, just type it into the place. After adding it, you come to this address too. You add another address, that is alternative address. Type it into this place. Then this suburb, you can add the name of your locality, either your local government council or any other town that is not the main city. Add it there. Then you come to this city, you type the name of your city. Then the next thing is adding your postcode. After filling the other one, add your postcode here. That postcode is also known as zip code, so type it. If you don't know it, you have to ask Google for it. Google will bring it the original zip code for your account. Then after filling it, you come to this state. I'm making this account from Nigeria, so it brings out the account from Nigeria, as in the status in Nigeria. That is the same way to bring status in your own country if you are not a Nigeria user. So that is the same way. After adding your state, you come here and add your phone number, but it is optional. Whether you add the phone number, your account will still be approved. Whether you don't add the phone number, your account will still be approved. But to help you get the code, you have to add the phone number, so that if you did not know when Google send the code, the postcode or the postcode agencies will call you using the phone number you have added. So that is it. That is the same way it is. Type in your phone number there. Yes, type in the phone number. Whatever your phone number is, type in it there. After typing it, the next thing is to submit it. I am not submitting this one now because I did not actually create any account. I only use it to show you how to create your account by yourself. How to set your payment on Google AdMob account or Google AdSense or even YouTube also. So anything concerning Google payment. Once you fill it here, you have filled all of them. So I just show you how to create it and how to create your ad unit on Google AdMob account. So after which, just submit it here. It will be verified. They will notify you using email once your account is verified. Once your account is verified, you'll be notified. So thank you for watching this video, and God bless you. If this video has helped you in any way, maybe it answered your question or you want us to always relate, kindly like this video, share it to your friends, comment at the comment section what you think about this video. Once again, thank you and God bless you for your time.